This is a spell which will bring you and the person that you like together for as long as you like to. For this spell, you're going to need one red candle or white candle. Also, we will use cinnamon, some sugar, basil, a piece of paper, red pen, one plate, 3 pins, and an essential oil. You can use rose petals, vanilla oil, or rose essence. I have vanilla oil. You can first start by cleaning your space 3 times clockwise with Palo Santo or sage, or even stick cinnamon. First, you're going to write the name of a person and fold it 3 times towards you. It has to be exactly 3 times, and it has to be towards you. When you're done, you put 3 pins right through the candle to hold this paper on your candle. When you're done, just spray this candle and this paper with your favorite perfume, and the candle is done. Now let's move on to an actual magic. Take your plate. Inside your plate, you will add some sugar. 1, 2, 3, and cinnamon. You will add your essential oil or rose petals, vanilla oil, anything you have, to boost it. You will add some basil in this magic. Now you need to create a space for your candle. Let it be 1, 2, 3 times clockwise. And now you will put the candle in the center. Now it's the time to burn the candle. Burn it all the way down. When the candle is burning, try to visualize this person, you and him, or you and you, and him or him, whatever you choose. Just visualize yourself together. Let the candle burn. You're looking for the pin also in the candle wax. Here's also. So we have our 3 pins. Now we need a picture of a person. and you are going to put them in the picture, 3 of them. And that's it. Until the pins stay here, that person is completely yours. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and bless you.